Hey guys, today's video is going to be an unboxing video. I'm going to be showing you guys the Target 12 Days of Beauty box. It's like an advent calendar type thing. We're just going to open the whole thing. You know, you're supposed to open one for the first 12 days, but we're just going to open the whole thing. Before we get started, do you guys like my shirt? Do you like my shirt? Hashtag no sleep team. This is actually another YouTuber's merch line. His name is Ty Moss. I've been watching his videos forever. I actually met him briefly back in, oh my gosh, this was like 2011 or 2012. My husband and I had gone to New York City. We got invited to a YouTube partner meetup. Like they used to do, like YouTube used to invite people to like meetups. And I'm talking, there was probably like 50 of us there. Like this is when the YouTube partner program was brand new and you know, you had to apply for it. We went to the Google headquarters. It was fun. And I don't think he was there for it, but I remember I just randomly ran into him on the streets and he was vlogging and I think I was in one of his vlogs and I was like, oh my gosh, I watch your videos. And I remember his reaction. He's like, cool. Like it was kind of like a little awkward. I remember that. If I can find that video, I don't know if it's still up on his channel. Like I said, it was like 9 years ago. I don't know if that video is still up, but if I can find it, I'll link it down below. But yeah, this is his merch line. He's kind of like getting rid of it, I think. And this t-shirt was only $4. So I'm like, I'm going to get it. I'll link his channels down below. He has a vlog channel and he does like tech videos. So yeah, I'll link it down below if you're interested. Let's get on to the unboxing. So this is available on the Target website. I don't think you can get it in stores. It was $19.99 and yeah, I wanted to get it and see what was in here. I have gotten the Target like regular beauty box. Actually, I don't even know if they still do those regularly. But I have a whole playlist of Target beauty box unboxings. I'll link that down below. Okay, first thing is a mascara from Maybelline. This is the Lash Sensational Mascara. This is just like a deluxe sample size. It's got a big sticky thing on it. So I have I tried this mascara? I want to say I have. I don't know if I have a Mascara Monday episode on this, but I want to say I tried it and I don't really like it. But I'm going to try it again because I'm not too sure on it. So it's got a plastic wand and it's kind of like curved. All right, number 2 is from Cetaphil. This is the Extra Gentle Daily Scrub for your face for all skin types. Gently exfoliates with microfine particles to reveal radiant looking skin, cleanses without overdrying, non-irritating. There's that guy. Hey, 5 years later, I finally friggin' got it out. This is the Pixi Glow Tonic Exfoliating Toner. 5% glycolic acid. Use AM and PM as needed. After cleansing, apply with a cotton pad, avoiding eye areas. So it's just a toner from Pixi. I haven't really tried too many products from Pixi, actually, now that I think about it. All right, number 4. Man, these are hard to get out. Okay. This is from Lumine. This is the Nordic Sea Pure Glow Cleansing Balm. Contains vitamin E and wild Arctic cloudberry. What the frig is cloudberry? And massage gently into wet skin. Rinse well with lukewarm water or with a dampened cloth. So it's a cleanser. 5 is a Real Techniques sponge. I can always use more of these, although I do have a bunch of, where are they? I have a bunch of these sponges from Juno & Co., which I love them. They sent me these in PR a while ago, and I actually forgot that I got these. I gotta keep those out. Like if it's not in plain sight, I forget about it. Number 6 is Waterless Fragrance Mist, Touch Activated Scent. What? Rose and peach. Shake well, spray all over, reply as needed. Touch activated scent. All right, well, let's try spraying it into the air first, even though it says touch activated. Okay. Ooh, that smells really good. I mean, it's like, I don't know what touch activated means. I don't know what that means, but you can definitely smell it when you spray it in the air. Definitely a like perfect combination of rose and peach. I've never heard about this. Alcohol free. Okay. And paraben free. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. I need to look this company up. All right. We're going to put you right there. so I can look you up. Number 7 is something from Eva NYC. This is the Main Magic 10-in-1 primer with argan oil. I love Eva NYC. Actually, this is good. This is reminding me that I really want to purchase or repurchase their blow dry spray because I love that stuff. Yeah, I've never tried this, a 10-in-1 primer. Oh, that is way too small for me to read. I can't read that. That's really tiny. But I'm excited for this. Number 8 is from Bliss. This is the Mighty Marshmallow Bright and Radiant Whipped Mask. Ooh, smooth a thick layer onto skin. Leave on 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse thoroughly. Ooh, I might use this tonight. Ooh. Doesn't smell. Well, yeah, it does. It does. Ooh, it smells like kind of like shaving cream, actually. That's what it looks like. I don't know if you can tell, but it's a pretty pink color. Number 9. How long is this video? Okay. This is the La Roche-Posay. La Roche-Posay. Hyala? What the fuck? La Roche-Posay Hyala B5 Serum. Pure hyaluronic acid. My skin does not like hyaluronic acid. It like dries the ever-living shit out of my skin, so... yeah, this is, what the hell? Usage Extreme? What the fuck? This is all in a different language, but those are the only English words on here. Usage Extreme, sample, not for sale, distribution, and that's all. I don't know what this is. Oh wait, anti-aging concentrate. It's a serum, I guess. Okay, all right. Oh, I'm excited for this. This is number 10. This is from EOS, or Evolution of Smooth. This is the Shea Butter Hand Cream in Pink Citrus. Super cute packaging. I need all the hand cream I can get because my hands get so dry. Ooh, it smells like grapefruit. I'm not like a big grapefruit person. I'll try it though. But yeah, my hands get super dry in the wintertime and I'm always looking for a good hand cream. I used to wash my hands like 60 times a day. Now I wash my hands like 160 times a day. Okay, so I was excited for this. I saw this on the little preview. I'm kind of bummed I didn't get the scent that I'm fond of, but I will try this one. So this is from Collab. This is the dry shampoo. This says original fragrance. In the little preview on their website, it showed the unicorn fragrance. I just hit myself in the head. Which I love, and I still have yet to repurchase this. There's like a little tiny bit left, but this is seriously my favorite dry shampoo at the moment. I love it. But I'll try this one, like original scent. Let's see. I keep hitting myself. It's just like a clean scent. I mean, yeah, I'll try it. The unicorn scent is, oh, okay. That's like a nice clean scent. I think this said jasmine and something. It just says unicorn fragrance, but I think it's like jasmine and something. It smells so good. But yeah, I'm excited for this, and I need to keep this out because I need to buy more of that after this video. Okay, last one, number 12. Number 12 is from Soap and Glory. This is One Heck of a Blot. One Heck of a Blot Instant Perfecting Power Primer. Okay, it's a primer. All right. I will definitely try this out. So what do you guys think? Do you guys think this box was worth $20? All right, let's see what we got again. I think it was because I'm going to be trying some products that I wouldn't have normally tried, and that's like the whole point of, you know, these boxes is to expose you to, you know, products and brands you wouldn't normally try. Oh, this guy right here. I'm so excited about this, and the dry shampoo. So yeah, I'm excited for this. Definitely excited for this primer. The hand cream I will try, even though I'm not fond of like grapefruit. This cleansing balm I'll try. Let's see, definitely will use the sponge. This mask I'm probably gonna use tonight, so I'm gonna put that right there. Definitely gonna try this mascara again. I'm like 99% sure I've tried it before. I don't remember if I liked it or not. And this guy I'm a little unsure of. The one that's in a different language. I gotta look this up. The Cetaphil Extra Gentle Daily Scrub. You know, sure, I'll try it. And then the Pixi Glow Tonic Exfoliating Toner. I don't really use a toner, so probably won't use that. But yeah, I think this box was worth $20. Again, it's exposing you to products and brands you wouldn't normally have thought of or known to purchase, I guess. So yeah, I will link it down below if you guys are interested in purchasing it. I would get it soon because it's probably going to sell out. That's why I didn't want to like do this. I was thinking like originally I could, I have high hopes for my vlog channel. I'm going to try to do Vlogmas this year. By the way, I'll link my vlog channel down below, but I'm having a baby. Well, that's a whole other story. That's a horse of a different color. I'm going to do a pregnancy update right after this because I got a lot to tell you guys. But I'm supposed to have a baby in December. So we'll see. That is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.